Hello, boys and girls. Good morning. Hello. Hi, this is Ted. This is Ride with Ted. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are headed over to Sea Breeze Harley-Davidson for their annual Toys for Tots event. That's the plan. That's where we're headed. It's a little brisk this morning, and just a tad above 55 degrees. And it's nice and sunny, gorgeous day. It's supposed to get up into the mid 60s today. Yes. So I don't recall. I think they have cookies and coffee or something like that for breakfast. And then when we're done with the ride, there's going to be food. So that's always good. This will be my third year doing this event, I believe. I believe it's the third year. Yeah, third year. It's a good event. Gets toys for the little girls and boys in the area. And these events happen all around the country. So if there's a Toys for Tots event happening near you, I suggest you participate. If you can't participate, at least get a toy of some sort and bring it over to the nearest location that's having it. I believe most Harley-Davidson dealers are doing that. Yeah, so Thanksgiving is over with. Black Friday has made its appearance. And now we're in the throes of the holiday season, which is good. I like the holiday season. Brother Chris was down. The niece was down from Ohio and New Jersey, and they have all returned to their respective homes. Now the event started at 9:30 this morning. And I believe Kickstands Up is at noon. Yeah, I was in no condition to be out at the door at 9:30 or be there at 9:30. Either one?
Either one.
Awesome.
Thank you, buddy. We appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you. Santa!
How you doing?
Pretty good, sir. How are you?
Doing well. Doing well.
Hey, Grinchy. How you guys doing?
Doing well. Well, how about you?
Good. Good. Always good to get out and ride, you know?
Oh, yeah. And it's warmed up a little bit, too.
You riding?
Oh, yeah.
You riding?
Not today.
She's going to be riding with me.
Can't hold my bike up.
She's got bad knees. She can't hold it.
Oh. Ride with Santa.
That's what she's going to do.
There you go. Perfect. Awesome. Where's coffee?
Right over here.
Awesome. And the rumbling, rumbling. So we sit here in line waiting. This is a little kooky. I should shut the bike off. Raindrops. Raindrops are falling on my head. But that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red.
3 weeks later.
82 degrees? I don't think so. Uh-oh. The lead cars are getting ready. Oh, now it's really raining. Oh, shit. Lovely. Wow, look at that. Oh. Perfect. Wow. We got rain. We've never had rain before. Well, not on this ride. Anyway. It's gonna suck. A little bit. I opened up the vents on my jacket. Now I'm thinking maybe not such a good idea. I may have to lift this up because, well, maybe not. I don't know. I'm getting raindrops falling on my face. All right, so we're back at the dealership now, and we're gonna go get some food. Let's go. All right. So the event is over. I ate more than I should have, and now gonna go home. And that's that. And that's that. So let's road to hit. Windshield's nice and clear. And let's close this. Yeah, sufficiently stuffed. Had some fried chicken, some baked beans, and potato salad, and a Coke. So yeah, yummy stuff. Where am I going? I don't know. See, now it's starting to get a little chilly. Yeah, it's starting to get a little chilly now. You know what? I'm just gonna go home. Yeah, it's been a little chilly today right now. Because I opened my vents, and now I'm chilly. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a great event, it really is. And like I said earlier, if there is a similar event like this, Toys for Tots happening near you, I suggest you do it. It's worth it. I think it is. It's a great cause. You know, get some money, get some stuff for the kids, right? So do it. Get out there. Doesn't matter what you ride, go do it. It's a good time. Get to meet some people, get some mileage in, and hopefully have some food. All right, kids. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Just do that. Don't forget to comment and subscribe down below. Subscribe down below, right? Comment. I'll respond. You know that. And of course, as always, we will see you in the next video. Got it? Peace out. Rock and roll.